We spent nearly $20 million.
$20 million to renovate the course.
Quality course, quality of the service. The quality is our pride.
You're listening to Insight Asian Fairways with Golfasian, Asia's leading golf holidays and tournaments.
Okay, I'm with Narumi at Subic Golf Course in the Philippines. It's about 1 hour north of Clark. And you are an 18-hole golf course?
Yes, we are.
And when did it actually open, the golf course?
2018.
So it's a long time ago. Now, it was set up because Subic, for people who don't know, is a big US Navy base. Is that right?
Right. They started the golf course here with 9 holes. Then afterwards, the Taiwanese company took over and then made it into an 18 course. And
But you're in an area of the Philippines where there's a lot of factories and the Navy base. So your clients are not just Filipino, they're international players.
Quite. That's why we call it a Subic International Golf Course. Yes.
Right. And what would you say is the description of the golf course? What makes it so special?
Well, first of all, we came here. We are the Japanese company.
Yes.
And then the quality is our pride.
Right.
Quality course, quality of the service. And then quality of the course, yes. And we spend nearly $20 million.
$20 million to renovate the course.
Of course, in a new clubhouse.
Yes, which we're in now.
Right, thank you very much. And then, yes, and we stick with quality.
Now, I haven't been round the course yet. I'm going to go in a minute. But I can see you've obviously got a lot of rainforest here. It's quite magical.
Right, harmonize with the nature. That's our beauty.
And is it sort of a lot of elevations on the course?
Especially hole number 11 and then 12 is going up and then down, and it's so much
So it's
fun.
good. It's a fun course, people.
Right.
And I heard that you train your caddies. They're full-time caddies here, are they?
Okay, that's another feature that then makes us very unique and then special. We hire caddies since all the caddies and here in the Philippines are on call, but we do hire.
So most of the caddies, like in Thailand, they're freelance, but here at Subic, you're
employed.
full-time.
Our
And
employee.
how many caddies do you have here?
Currently, we have 88, and then toward this high season, that's November, it's gonna be 100 or 110 or something like that. We plan that way.
Okay. Now the last question is you said high season. Can you play golf here all year round?
The Philippine, there is a rainy season. That's started in June until the end of October. Yes, it's a rainy season. It rains. However, it's people plays.
Yeah, I mean, people play in
enjoy.
Europe in the rain. Exactly. In Japan, they play in the rain.
Yes, we do that too. The golf and soccer. These are the two sports, and we still keep playing in the rain. So I believe the people can enjoy playing a golf in the Philippines, even during a rainy season.
Okay, so if you're interested in coming to Clark, we have several options for you. We've obviously got Mimosa Plus, which we've talked about. We've got Subic, and in the future, we're going to have new courses with the Han Reserve, which is a Nicholas design course, a KJ Choi design course, and also Sir Nick Faldo will be designing the courses. So Clark is definitely worth being put on the radar.